Breaking news. You got another train derailment, this time in Van Buren, Michigan. Okay? It's Ohio. You had Arizona. You had, I think, South Carolina. Now you got Van Buren, Michigan. It's all too much, man. It's all too much. Esau is he's coming down, man. All these train derailments in the past, 42 hours, man. What a coinkadink, right? Ain't nothing a coincidence. Ain't nothing a coincidence, man. There you go. There you go. 25 minutes ago. Happening right now. Emergency crews are responding to a massive train derailment outside of Detroit, Michigan. Yeah, they've been killing Michigan's water. All types of stuff, man. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. Then you got this over here. Whistleblower says FBI plotting to criminalize Christianity. Article put up yesterday by Ethan Huff on News Target. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. The Federal Bureau of Investigation has made it a priority to root out terrorists in radical traditional Catholicism, which it sees as a threat to the country. It says they have found a gateway in what they think is fringe Catholicism in order to move into Christians in general to declare them to be actual criminals in this country or a potential terrorist. Serafin stated the FBI is not at all concerned about escalating violence in major American cities, but unmitigated flood of illegal aliens across the southern border and left-wing civil unrest and rioting brigades that destroy the country after false flag events like George Floyd murder. No, the FBI is instead focusing on targeting Christians. Yeah.
So in this weird inverted world that we're living in, the criminals are actually the victims. Who are the criminals? Well, obviously, sincere Christians. They're the real problems. Sincere Christians, middle class, where they're dangerous. And the FBI, it's hard to believe this, that was their decent FBI agents, but the FBI as an organization has joined in the hunt for Christians. And we have proof of it. The FBI tried to manufacture crimes against sincere Catholics. The FBI's Richmond field office recently published an internal document promising to punish, quote, radical traditionalist Catholics and their ideology. Now, just to make something completely clear, the bill of rights
I don't want to hear this.
The government from weighing in on.
Anyway, so much going on, man. It says dead birds on a line in Indiana. Nothing to see here. See, that's where I live at.
Y'all look at these birds on the car line, y'all.
Salakia.
Look at it.
Salakia. That was way too loud.
Indiana right now. Indiana.
Look at those birds dead on that line.
I'm going to show you. They didn't already hit the ground. What's going on, world? What is...
Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Man, these devils coming down with great wrath, bro.
Look at it. I swear these birds are upside down dead. We in New Carlisle, Indiana right now. Indiana.
Look at the birds, man. Look at their mouth open. Boy. This devil. And look at the gray sky, man.
What's
They
going
just spray some
on?
chemtrails and everything,
What
man.
is going?
Just look at that, man. Look at it again.
Y'all look at these birds on the power line, y'all. Look at them. I swear these birds are upside down dead.
Man,
We in New Carlisle, Indiana right now.
look how much is going on in the earth, man. I gotta get a scripture, man. I gotta get the scripture again. I just got it earlier, man. This is Revelations 12 and 12. And I'll read it in the let's read it in the NLV or the NLT, Slakia. It says, "Therefore rejoice, O heavens, and ye who live in the heavens, rejoice. But terror will come on the earth and the sea, for the devil has come down to you in great anger, knowing that he has a little time." Yeah, man. You see all these things happening, man? All these things happening in the earth, man. You see? Let me get this. And I got this earlier too. It keeps coming up, man. Hey, the Lord is visiting this earth, man. Matthew 24 and 22, "And except those days should be shortened, there should no flesh be saved." You see them birds hanging from that damn power line like that? With their mouths wide open?
They didn't already hit the ground. What's going on, world? What is going?
That is insane. Look at
Y'all
that.
look at these birds on the power line, y'all. Look at them. I swear these birds are upside down dead.
Look at the sky too, all them chemtrails, man.
Indiana right now.
Look at the bird's mouth, they open. Just dead. That's how a bunch of you Americans about to be. These chemicals floating in the air and getting in the water. It's over with, man. It's over with for this place, man.
Look at them. I swear